Hey, what's up, everybody? I've got some leftover Birdseye chilies, and I don't want them to go to waste. So I figured let me try pickling them. Of course, this is the first time I'm trying to pickle these. I mean, I've done pickling before, but I haven't done these. Okay, I've got 2 tablespoons each of black peppercorn, coriander seed, and dried onions. I'm going to need a mason jar. I don't know how much this is. It's probably about 1.5 cups, 2 cups, but you're also going to need 3 tablespoons of salt. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to need 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white vinegar, and a couple bay leaves. I've got these bay leaves that are dried, and I just picked out enough that I'm assuming would be a 2 whole bay leaves. Okay, so you want to start by first off, I removed the stems. They have stems on them, and you want to cut into them. So this way the solution, the brining solution, will penetrate. So I should be putting gloves on for this. But anyway, let me get a different knife, and I'll finish these up, and then we'll get back to doing the brine. Okay, so I'm finishing up these last couple, and then we'll get to the brining solution. Alright. Okay, so we're going to add 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, sugar, bay leaf, salt, peppercorn, coriander, and dried onion. And we're just gonna bring this up to a boil, and just let it go for about 5 minutes. And then that'll be it for preparing the brining solution. Alright, this just started. Oh, damn it, you know what I forgot? I forgot garlic. But this just started coming up to a boil. I got 3 cloves here. I'm going to throw that in. I always do that. I always mess up. Okay, in the meantime, we're gonna put these chilies in the jar. I'm gonna try to stand them all up. I don't know, just so it looks better. Actually, I'm not gonna try to stand them all up. And now we just wait for the brining solution. Okay, this has been going about 5 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat. Okay. Now I definitely want to get as many of these like peppercorns and the garlic and all that stuff in there. hopefully as those chilies fill up, they'll sink. Alright, I'm going to give that a couple minutes and see what happens, and then I'll put some more brine in there. Okay, this might not be something everybody has, but these are glass pellets used for the purpose of holding things down when you ferment. And my concern here is any chili that's exposed might wind up with mold on it. I don't know, because we're not canning these, we're just pickling them. So I'm just going to drop this in, and you'll see that now all those chilies are submerged. I'm gonna leave it like that for a while and see what happens. In any case, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we made that brine. We put it in our peppers, and we put that in the fridge for a little while. Remember, we did not can, we did not preserve these by vacuum sealing it in the jar. These have to go in the refrigerator, and I'm assuming they would be good for at least 6 months. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and see you again soon.